see them open. Let's just open one and see how it looks like. Oh, there we go. This is it. So this is the stand I was talking about that I expected to find. So yeah, it looks good and it's sturdy. Like the appearance, it seems sturdy. Now these are the adjustable nodes. So this one looks so far so good. This one looks good. I really like the way it looks. Oh, it looks so nice, so nice, so nice, so nice. This one looks so good. Then you can adjust like this. So let's try and see if we have. Oh, it's adjustable, just the way I expected. This one. Oh, that's reasonable. Okay. See, that is the stand. So far, so good. You get a lighting system, a 3-point lighting system, which can improve. If you're doing photography, it will surely improve your images. If you're doing videography, if you're a YouTuber, lighting is very important. It enhances your videos, get more likes, more views, people, like what they see. So, so far so good. This is the Neewer 3-point lighting. Now, as I said, I bought this from Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description box so that if you want to buy similar lights, you can just click on that link and you buy. Now, what else? What else? What else? There should be something I'm forgetting. Forgetting something. I was forgetting to show you the adapter. Yes, I knew I was forgetting something. My crystal balls are just telling me, yeah, you're forgetting something. What is it? So this is the mains cable. Let me just untie it. Oh. This cable, and as you can see, so this is the mains cable, like that, and this is the adapter, and this is the adapter. So I was showing, as I was showing you, this one is the one you fix here. Just fix there, and you are good to go. And this one, fix this one here, like that, and you have your light ready. So when it comes to mounting, it's very simple. It's like ABCD, guys. Just untighten here like this. Just untighten. Then you place it like that, and you go ahead and tighten the knob. And as you do that, you also make sure that these are also tight like that. There you have your light ready. Yeah, like that. That's it. That's it. You have your light ready. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Hope you learned something. I'll be using these lights. Once I use them, as usual, I'll make another video, a comprehensive review. I'll tell you so far how the lights are working. If they are good, I'm going to recommend them. If they are not good, I'll also tell you they are not good. See, I don't recommend things I've not used. So this one, I've not used it. I've just opened the box. We've opened together. It's my first instance with Neewer lights. I've never purchased Neewer lights. This is my first time purchasing a Neewer light. I've opened and I've managed to connect. And now what I expect is to have good lit videos going forward. So guys, if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends so that they can benefit. These are free videos. I'm not paid with Neewer or anybody to do these reviews. I buy these things for my own consumption. Once I buy them, I decide, okay, let me share with the others, they can learn a thing or two, so that if I open the box and you feel, oh, that's not a good light, you can go ahead and, forfeit it, go for another one. That's what I do, so that if I unbox something that's not good, I save you from buying the same, the same product. Yeah. If I use a product and I tell you, no, this product is not good because of 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm saving you money because you will say, no. This one, Ian, bought this thing, he used it, and he doesn't recommend it because. And when I say I'm not recommending a product, I'll tell you I don't recommend this product because of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And if I recommend the product, I'll tell you, I recommend this product because of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope it was helpful and you liked it. Bye-bye.